Hello gang, welcome back to the channel. We got another unboxing here. Bought something for the kitties. Pet water fountain. Pet water fountain model YS-03. I think it's GJEASE, something like that. I think that's what it's called, but see, there it is. I'm gonna open it up, assemble it, and then go to the kitchen with it. Wow, this is no assembly required, I guess. Okay, it's called GJEASE, G-J-E-A-S-E. It holds 94 ounces of water. Looks like a release there. Yes, it is. A filter. No idea what that is. And it seems to be broken on the inside. I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's a little piece that's broken on the inside, which goes right up in there. Probably a holder or something. Check these instructions out. And one of these goes right here. Hello, I'm back. Just making sure everything was here rather than sit there and do nothing. It's got all the parts. It's got the water inlet, the water pump, multi-function filter box. It's got the 6 layers of circulating filtration system, which consists of an eco-friendly shield, prevent food residue, non-woven fabric, filter hair residue, iron exchange resin, soften the tap water, medical stone yellow, removes heavy metals and releases trace elements, chemical filtration gray, removes impurities, quartz sand white, prevents stomach upset. Attention, to prevent the medical stone and quartz sand, it will not harm your pets from shedding. Please soak the filter in water for 2 minutes to release it thoroughly under running water before use. It is recommended to flush the filter and sponge in water every time you change water. What sponge? What sponge? There's something missing here. Flush, filter, and sponge. What sponge? Mute water pump. Okay, I'm going to have to get back on this because I think there's a piece missing, but I will be taking this to the kitchen and filling it with water and doing a demonstration in there, so we'll finish it up in there in a little bit. Okay.